Hi, and welcome to this session on imposter syndrome. If you've ever felt like you just got lucky, or like you've somehow tricked everyone into thinking you're smarter or more capable than you believe yourself to be, you're in the right place. This meditation is designed to help you confront and manage the feelings of imposter syndrome that are all too common in law. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can sit undisturbed for the next few minutes. Begin by sitting in a relaxed yet upright position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your lungs to fully expand. As you exhale through your mouth, see if you can let go of any immediate stresses or tensions. Take a few more deep breaths like this, feeling yourself relax deeper with each exhale. Notice the points of contact between your body and the chair or floor. Feel the weight of your body supported by the ground beneath you. Maybe imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet deep into the earth, anchoring you firmly and providing a sense of stability and connection. Slowly move your awareness through your body, starting from the top of your head and moving down to your toes, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. Don't try to change these sensations. Simply observe them, breathing into these areas and imagining the tension melting away with each breath. Shifting your attention to the natural rhythm of your breathing. Noticing how your body instinctively knows how to inhale and exhale without your conscious effort. Reflect on the reliability of your breath, how it continues to flow without needing to be controlled. Take a moment to pause and gently bring your awareness to your thoughts, particularly any negative ones that may be arising. As you notice these thoughts, ask yourself calmly and with curiosity, do these thoughts serve me? Allow yourself to consider whether these thoughts are helpful or if they're simply causing unnecessary stress or anxiety. If you find that they don't serve you, imagine them as leaves floating down a stream, drifting away from you. Each time a negative thought arises, Visualize placing it on a leaf and watching it float away, clearing space for more positive and constructive thoughts. Acknowledge any urges to change or judge what's happening. With each breath, allowing yourself to trust more deeply in the present moment. Reminding yourself that this moment is complete just as it is. By building trust in various aspects of life, from bodily functions like breathing to complex interpersonal interactions and life's unpredictable nature, we can significantly change how secure and calm we feel in daily activities. Imposter syndrome is that nagging feeling you get where you doubt your achievements and worry you might be unmasked as a fraud. It shows up often in the legal field because the culture prizes certainty, mastery, and flawless performance. 3 things no human can constantly deliver. Law school and legal practice expose you to an endless stream of brilliant colleagues, high-stakes problems, and feedback that can feel disproportionately weighty. In that environment, it's easy for the mind to create a distorted narrative. Everyone else belongs here. I'm the only one who slipped through. But these thoughts are not truths. They're protective stories the brain tells when you're stretching into unfamiliar territory. Managing imposter syndrome starts with noticing these thoughts as mental events, not verdicts. Instead of interrogating yourself, am I good enough? Shift to questions that reveal reality. What evidence supports this fear? What evidence contradicts it? Often, you'll find that your achievements, resilience, and work ethic tell a far more accurate story than your nerves do. So the next time imposter thoughts arise, pause long enough to recognize them as patterns rather than facts. Label the moment, this is self-doubt, not reality, and take one slow breath to give your mind room to reset. Then, anchor yourself in something concrete. Maybe recall a recent situation where you handled a challenge really well, or review one piece of objective evidence that you're capable. If the thought is still loud, gently ask yourself what you would say to a colleague having the same worry. That perspective shift often reveals the compassion you deserve, but forget to offer yourself. Finally, choose one small, doable action. Sending the email, outlining the argument, asking the clarifying question that moves you forward. Action breaks the spell of self-doubt and reminds you that belonging is demonstrated through engagement, not perfection. Now, bringing your awareness back to your breath, take a few deep cleansing breaths, feeling refreshed and more confident with each inhale. Thank you for joining me in today's session. Keep checking back for more meditations only here at Matterhead.